The department, which was established in the year 1998, and it has set a very rich legacy for 25 years. It is the department where unique learning environment is established. Our mission in the department is to empower students with skills and knowledge to excel in the dynamic world of technology.
Apart from the core fundamental electronics and recent technological advancements, we at United groom our students multifaceted like hard skills, soft skills, live hand-on projects and much more.
Hi there, my name is Sakshi Singh. I'm from Electronics and Communication Department. In our department, learning extends beyond the classroom, where students are engaged in a hands-on workshop and expert talk on emerging trends, technologies and industrial visits, bridging the gap between the theory and practical. Thank you.
Being a student of the department that is innovating the future of communication technology is incredibly rewarding. And it all began with the comprehensive education that I received over here. One of my most transformative projects was working on an IoT-based smart city communication protocol, which led to my current role in the organization.